Hi, welcome to another Pete Watson RC Pilot Pete Watson video. This time I'm flying the Flywing 450L GPS Stabilised Heli. This has been great for my progress, let me say. Got to alter the gains a little bit on the tail rotor because it's very bouncy, as you can see. It's I keep meaning to bring my laptop with me every time to so I can plug it in and try and change the gains here at the field. So, but it's every flying session is as it is. I have 6 batteries in total for this heli, and let me say I'm 6 batteries at that setting that I lasted at home, so it's annoying really, but I keep forgetting to bring my laptop. So you can see I'm a little bit more au fait with this one. I can feel a bit more at ease, and I just know that if I'm doing something wrong, I just let go of the sticks, and that's what happens. And it's just there now until I press something else. So it's good from this side. Saves damage, I suppose. So I do like to fly this. It's building my confidence, building my hand coordination and eye coordination, and hopefully soon I'll get the scale body on it, and I've just about done the scale body now, and I'm gonna, I think, enjoy flying that really with the scale body. So I guess you can make it look very scale in the turns. It's a beautiful evening, 20 degrees and no wind at all, which is nice for coming up to mid-October. Very unusual in the UK. We're normally into storm season now and can start to get the windy conditions, but it's going to be like this now for another week apparently, according to the weather forecasters, if you can believe them or not. But if it is, so be it. It shall be very nice. You know. Lots of little black flies around at the moment. Oh, not midges, they're like little flying ants. Rather annoying. But, suppose we can put up with them while we're having a good flying session. Nobody here at the field tonight, so it's a weekday, but I don't mind so much, especially with the helicopters, because 1 or 2 of the members are not liking us fly helicopters here, but as there's only 15 of us, I can't see it being a problem. Our membership's fallen quite a lot recently, so I think we have to open it up to whatever people want to fly. We have had 2 new members join, 3 new members in the last 2 months. 2 helicopter pilots, so on this side it is quite good really. The hobby, I don't know about anywhere else in the world where you're watching from, but here in the UK the hobby's taking a big decline. I'm probably one of the youngest members in the club at approaching 60 this year. So, sorry, one of the youngest members. If I said oldest, I'm one of the youngest members at 60 years old. So, we're a dying breed. We've got to do whatever we can do to bring new members in. And if it's allowing one or two more helicopter pilots to come, so be it. Or rotary wing, because like anywhere else I suppose, drones have gone mad here in the UK, so looking around for the plane I can hear. Actually quite high in the distance, so it'll come in for a landing. Time is at 2 minutes, so remaining out of my 7, but I didn't start the timer straight away. And there we go. We'll do a quick flying on as you can see there, it's a 2200 60C4S battery, and on this one we've got 27% left. We'll go through each cell. We're looking at 3.78, 3.78, 3.77, 3.78, so nicely balanced in the flight. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.